Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel after a long time with a new video. I hope you all will be fine and healthy. Today our topic is external static pressure calculation using this Excel sheet. I have already uploaded the video on external static pressure calculation, but this is the very simplest one to calculate the external static pressure. In this Excel sheet you can calculate the diameter, friction loss, diameter and duct velocity, and friction loss. So today I will show you, I will teach you how to calculate external static pressure in a duct in a very simple way to select the fan. Like I have this drawing and I have calculated this on the basis of external static pressure. In this we are using two fans on roof, that is, one is 3000 liter per second and one is 4500 liter per second. One external static pressure is 500 pascal, another have 500 pascal. Both have 500 pascal external static pressure requirements, and this is the power requirement. So we will discuss how to calculate this one, this external static pressure. So here you can see this is the 950 by 400 mm duct. In this, like I suppose that 3000 CFM is passing through 950 by 400. So what will be the external static pressure in this duct from here to here, and then from here to here? So I will calculate this. 950 by 400, just put this 950 by 400 in this area. It will give the round duct diameter, and you will put this round duct diameter here. So first of all we will calculate the round duct diameter. What is the duct height in inches? So just convert mm into inches. If you are already working in inches, then put it directly. So I am using this in inches. So this will be 950. 950 will be almost 950 divided by 25. This is almost 37.4 inches of duct. And what will be the width? Width will be 400, that is 400 divided by 25.4, which is 15.74. So your duct diameter is 27 inches. So you will just put this diameter here, 27 inches, and duct airflow 3000. And what is the length of this duct? In this case it's around about 10 feet of duct. So I will put here 10 feet, and you can see there is only one elbow here, which is 90 degree, and there is no offset. So I will just leave it as is. In this duct the friction loss is 0.01 of inches of water column. You calculate the same for the other duct. Like this is 900 by 400, 950 by 400 from here to the bottom. So actually the total friction loss, the external static pressure, will be the friction loss in this duct from here to there. The all external static pressure will be the friction loss of this duct. So just calculate using this way. So this is the very simple method. In this Excel sheet you can also calculate the diameter of duct, the velocity of duct, friction loss, to find the air mixture, like you are using the air mixture in AHU, and the equivalent duct, rectangular duct, and the round duct. And these are the some standard velocities. That is, for if you are designing it for residential purpose, then use 900 fpm feet per minute for main duct, and for branches you will use 600 feet per minute for commercial, for industrial. So here you can see the duct velocity is 755 fpm. which is above the below this 900, so it's residential air conditioner. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, if you need this Excel sheet, kindly comment your email, or I will provide the link in description. Thank you for watching my video.